Is ear heavyweight boxer duine gonna dornálaí anseo. The Black Rhino an las anam atá agus uair amháin, chuaigh sé isteach sa fáinne le Mike Tyson.
Are you heading out soon? Are you up for clemency, or how many years have you left? Or?
I didn't kill nobody, I ain't shoot nobody, I ain't hurt nobody. But I ended up with like 165 years. Yeah, I mean...
What happened, Cliff? What?
I guess people want to make an example of me. I don't know. I'm 49 years old. What did I do? You know what I'm saying? I didn't kill nobody, I ain't rape nobody, I ain't doing it. They got people that do that and get out and...
Can you tell me the crime?
Yeah, it was armed robbery, stuff. Really, my mind was really messed up. It was really messed up. You know, and...
Let's paint a picture then. Memphis, Tennessee. What was it like when Mike Tyson was across the corner?
It was like anybody else. I mean, I boxed at first really to prove a point. To prove a point and show people that I can make something out of my life. I mean, I earned a lot of money. I had made millions of dollars before I even fought Tyson, so it really wasn't about the money thing anymore.
Do you remember the shot that he caught you with, or what?
Yeah, I remember.
What was the shot?
My right hand over my jab.